foodies, burgers talaga ang ultimate comfort food para sa akin. If naghahanap ka ng meat-free option, look no further. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng meat-free Bistro Burger. And I am V-Boy Miranda for Elaborately Easy. It's sauce time! We will make our burger sauce and gagawa rin tayo ng blue cheese sauce. Simulan na natin yan mga ka-home foodie. Ang una natin gagawin ay ilalagay natin ang ating MAGNOLIA real mayonnaise sa isang bowl. Let us celebrate goodness every day. And add our tomato ketchup. Pickle relish. And yellow mustard. Yun. Simple pantry ingredients can make a difference sa ating sauce. Yan. Okay, just mix it thoroughly. And there we have it. Susunod naman natin, bubuksan natin ang ating MAGNOLIA CHEEZEE spread milky white. Oh, I love this product. Easy twist cap. And let's put it on in a bowl. I-add natin ang ating blue cheese. Ooh, I love that pungent smell. Bango. For me, napakabango niya. The creaminess of our milky white cheese. Ang ganda, oh. Perfect na perfect para sa ating gagawing burger later. Smash it a bit. Pero ako gusto may konting texture. You can refrigerate it, then use it pag kailangan na natin. And now, we can start to fry our burgers. Unahin muna natin i-heat ang ating pan. And let's add a little bit of oil. I have a small pan here, perfectly for the size of our burgers. Heat ko lang ng konti, give it a twirl. When it's hot, we can now add our VEEGA meat-free burger patty. Then put it in here now. For the total cooking of our burger patty, around 3 to 4 minutes to. Pero we'll have interval kasi ilalagay natin yan ng barbecue sauce. To prepare, ilalagay lang natin yung barbecue sauce natin sa mas malaking bowl. Para pagkaluto ng burger natin, halfway or about there, pwede na natin siyang i-dip sa barbecue sauce. Around 1 to 2 minutes, we can flip our burger now. Ooh, ganda ng color, oh. Give it a little swirl. Let's wait for another minute, then we'll dip on our sauce. Halfway through, we can put it in our sauce. We put a barbecue sauce sa mas malaking bowl. Dip it there. With a spoon, you can flip it. Okay? Spread lang natin. Then, we can put it back on our pan. And, we're done. That is VEEGA meat-free burger patty, meaty without the meat. After we're done with our patties, pwede na natin i-toast slightly yung ating bread. For us not to change our pan, pwede natin i-wipe off lang ang excess sauce, ang excess oil. Doesn't have to be so clean because we have here a good non-stick pan and burger bun in. Give it a good toast. You know what, mga ka-home foodies, pwede nyong i-store sa freezer ang ating burger to extend its shelf life. Okay? Yun, okay na to. Masyado malakas, patayin lang ang pan. Put the bottom part. Toasting our burger buns Mas magbibigay ng stability yan sa burger natin once naglagay na tayo ng mga layers. And now we are ready to assemble our bistro burgers. Before my favorite part of eating the burger, we have to assemble it now. Ngayon, kailangan natin, unahin syempre ang burger bun. Get this buns here. Gawa tayo dalawa agad. Para one for me and one for you. Okay. Our own homemade burger sauce. Yun. Konti pa. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating burger patty. Oh, sarap. Lalagay naman natin ngayon ang ating blue cheese sauce, ang ating blue cheese mixture. Press lang natin ng konti. To add the perfect crunch, we will put now our onion rings, fried onion rings. Pwede natin palitan ng potato wedges or french fries, pwede natin gamitin din yun. What makes our bistro burger bistro is the elaborate several ingredients na nilalagay natin. Stock it, damihan mo ang gusto mo, lagay ka lang ng lagay ng mga ingredients dyan. Pag kinain, be messy, okay lang yan. Yun ang magpapasarap sa burger natin. It's so comforting for me. Sa ating alfalfa sprouts, pwede tayo mag-substitute ng thinly sliced cabbage or any greens na i-chop natin, pwede natin siyang ilagay dyan. On the side natin, ilalagay ang top of our burger bun. And that's it. Ganun lang kabilis yun. Nakagawa na agad tayo ng meat-free bistro burgers. Pwede nyo i-substitute ang ating VEEGA meat-free nuggets sa ating burger patties, or yet, idagdag nyo na lang yan para mas indulgent tayo. Make sure to try this at home, and I am V-Boy Miranda for Elaborately Easy.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat